Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi or Bluetooth turn on again automatically even after turning off in Pixel smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Say I have already turned on my Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth. So let me turn it off and let us wait for a few seconds. So you can see what the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth is automatically turning on again. So in order to fix such issue, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this network and internet and click on this internet option. Now just scroll down below and click on this network preference, and now you will see here by default this option turn on Wi-Fi automatically will be turned on. So if this option is turned on even after turning off the Wi-Fi, after a few minutes it will automatically turn on the Wi-Fi again. Just disable it and now move back, and now you can disable or turn off the Wi-Fi completely from here. So our Wi-Fi issue has been fixed. So now in order to fix the Bluetooth, just click on this connected devices and click on this connection preference and click on this Bluetooth. Now you can see here one option automatically turn on tomorrow. Just disable it. And now you can completely turn off the Bluetooth and it won't turn on again automatically. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix Wi-Fi or Bluetooth turn on again automatically even after turning off in Pixel smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.